Hey, it's Dave with Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass.
Today I'm making a delicious creamy potato leek soup with truffle oil. This soup is hearty and satisfying, but still elegant enough to serve before a smoked prime rib or a ham. It has a rich velvety texture, deep flavor, and that restaurant quality finish with crispy frizzled leeks on top. Start by prepping the leeks. Trim off the root, then slice the white and green pale parts thinly. Set aside the first 12 slices of the leek. Chop the rest and then rinse them under cold water to remove any dirt. Drain them and set them aside. Next, peel and dice the Yukon Gold potatoes. In a 6-quart Dutch oven, melt unsalted butter over medium heat. Add the chopped leeks and a pinch of kosher salt. Cook them gently, stirring occasionally, for about 12 minutes until they're completely soft and translucent. Now add your white wine and deglaze the pot, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Let that wine reduce slightly, about 5 minutes. Next, add your diced Yukon Gold potatoes, a bay leaf, a few sprigs of thyme, and low-sodium chicken stock. Turn up the heat to medium-high and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer, cover, and cook until the potatoes are tender, about 40 minutes. While the soup simmers, make the frizzled leeks. In a small saucepan, heat vegetable oil and a little butter over medium heat to about 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Separate the rings of the 12 leek slices you set aside and carefully add them to the pan. Stir occasionally so they brown evenly. When they're lightly golden and crisp, pull them out with tongs or a slotted spoon and drain them on paper towels. Once the potatoes are tender, turn off the heat. Remove the bay leaf and the thyme sprigs and discard them. Now, use an immersion blender to carefully blend the soup until it's completely smooth and creamy. Take your time and watch for splatters. It's hot. If you're using a regular blender, work in small batches and don't overfill it. When the mixture is silky smooth, stir in the heavy cream and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Ladle the creamy potato leek soup into bowls. Top each with a handful of frizzled leeks, some chopped fresh chives, and a light drizzle of truffle oil. Serve it with crusty bread for dipping, and you've got a rich, comforting soup that feels right at home next to any Kamado Joe cook. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know. And if you enjoyed this creamy potato leek soup recipe and want more recipes that round out your barbecue with restaurant quality sides and starters, hit subscribe and check out the rest of the channel. And watch my Kamado Joe 101 playlist right now.